All right, guys, today we're tuning the super clean '05 Mustang GT, the 4.6 3-valve car. This is actually a stroker, so it's like a 5-liter stroker setup. I believe that it comes out to just under 5.0, 4.9 something. It has have a F1 Procharger on it. It's on E85. Got Ford Racing intake manifold on it. I don't know what cams, I don't know what valve train's in this thing right offhand, but don't see too many of these things in white. I definitely dig it. It's nice. Leather interior, stick shift car. Again on E85 there. He says it's making just shy of 20 pounds of boost, so expecting to see a relatively decent number out of this thing. It's been tuned by somebody else. I'm gonna make a baseline hit here, see what it makes, and then tweak it as needed, and hopefully we can improve the bass. Alright guys, here's some before and after. So the lower lines there are obviously the before, the solid lines are the upper lines are the after. Here's before and after on the left, before on the right. So you can see we picked up like 21 wheel horsepower, 18 foot-pounds of torque, almost 19 foot-pounds of torque there. So the biggest differences I changed, he's got an auto meter wideband in the car. And it was reading fairly close to what my target would normally be. I put my dyno wideband in the car, and it was pretty lean. It was like 11.9 on 18 pounds. So I richened the fuel mixture up, and I added 2 degrees of timing, and those were the only changes to pick up that 20 wheel. Still a conservative setup here. It is a stroker, so it's got a forged bottom end in it. We could turn more RPM with it. We're only turning it at 6,000, but for what he's doing, it will live a long time right there and works really well. So gonna leave it there and move on to the next one.